Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to Ama's Corner. Today I'm sending you straight to India. I'm going to show you one of India's favorite chicken 65. It's very easy, very simple, but it's got a lot of spices to add to it. The first day I had it, oh my goodness, I loved it. You're going to love this recipe. Ama's Corner would like to urge you guys to always wash your hands with soap. Use your hand sanitizers to help fight the coronavirus. It is very, very important. Thank you. So I'm going to start by showing you the ingredients that I'm going to use for my chicken 65. It's got a lot of spices in this, so you need to pay attention, or you take a pen and a paper and you write everything down. I do not want you to miss any of the spices. So we're going to start by showing you all the spices. We got half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger mixed together, half teaspoon of salt, and of course red food color. I have 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, and my bay leaves, 2 eggs, and of course 1 kilo of boneless chicken. So I'm going to start by dicing my boneless chicken into medium sizes. So this size, much better. So I'm going to start by adding all the spices and everything into this bowl so that we can mix it up with the boneless chicken. So everything goes in straight away. One tablespoon of chili sauce. 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon if you want. And 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to add my 2 eggs to it. So now I've added everything into the boneless chicken except for the food color. So I'm going to mix up all this first before I can add the food color to it. So you mix it up with your 2 hands. If you don't want to use gloves, make sure you got clean hands. If you don't want to use eggs, you can use all-purpose flour. It's an optional. It's either eggs or all-purpose flour. At this point, I'm going to add my food color. It's red food color. Some people do use orange food color, but traditionally it's red food color. So you do not have any measurement. You just have to add a little bit. Then you mix it up so everything turns red. Just a little bit of food color and you're good to go. So guys, we are almost done with our chicken 65. At this point, we're going to put it in the fridge for 24 good hours. After 24 hours, we're going to deep fry it. Then our chicken 65 will be ready to be served with whatever you want to eat with. Wow, that was so quick. It's been 24 hours already. We are going to take our chicken 65 from the fridge and start with our deep frying. There we go. As you can see, it's ready to go into our hot oil. So you have to make sure your oil is very hot. I think that should be enough. So we're going to leave it so it becomes very crispy. Thank you guys for always watching Ama's Corner. I'm very grateful. If you are new at Ama's Corner, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. You are always welcome to watch all my videos. Thanks to our sponsors Fufofo Market for always supporting us. We are very grateful. My name is Nana Ama Akumah. I'll see you the same time next week with Indian fried rice. Bye. Ha 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 ha. Try this at home and you will love it. See ya.